I'll wait for few more minutes so that people can join. Thank you so much. I hope I'm audible. Please comment if I'm audible. Namaskaram. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Ankita Nayak. I'm from Mumbai. I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer and have been learning dance since 16 years under the able guidance of Guru Srimati Chaya P. Kanvate, founder and director of Nateshwar Nritya Kala Mandir, Mumbai. I thank Jaipur Sangeet Mahavidyalaya for giving me this wonderful opportunity so that I can showcase my talent to all the Rasikas, and I welcome all of you for today's online concert. Thank you so much, everyone. Starting with today's online concert, I will seek blessings of my Guru and Lord Nataraja, and I will be doing a popular Devaranama, which is composed by the Pitamaha of Carnatic music, Sri Purandaradasa. Here the composer says, "O elephant-headed Lord, son of Parvati, you are worshipped by 3 worlds and you protect the good at heart. Wielding the Pasha and Ankusha, you destroy evil forces. You ride the mouse and are favorite with all the sages. Grant me the vision of those divine feet of yours and bless me to follow the path of Lord Vishnu's consciousness. I pray to you, O removal of obstacles, to show me the right path." Gajavadana Beduwe in Ragam Hamsadhvani Talam Adi, which is composed by Sri Purandaradasa. Thank you so much.
Gajavadana Beduwe, Gajavadana Beduwe, Gajavadana
Thank you so much. As it is the festival of Lord Ganesha, so I thought that I will be presenting first dance, River to Lord Ganesha. The next dance of today's evening is Devi Niye Tunai, composed by Sri Papanasan Sivan, is a kriti in praise of goddess Parashakti Meenakshi of Madurai. The devotee says, Devi, the one who has called as Meenalochini residing in Madurai, you are my only companion in life. You are no ordinary woman. You are the enchanting beauty who captured the heart of Lord Sundaresan. In the Charanam of the Kriti, the composer has given the scope for the Sanchari. The Sanchari are as follows. The childless Pandya king, Malaya Dhwaja of the Madurai, performed Putra Kameshti Yajna, a sacrificial fire through which emerges a beautiful girl, whom the royal couple adopts and name as Angayan Kannai, which means the one with beautiful eyes like the fish, and also be called as Meenakshi. Then the parents found an extra boson on the girl's chest. Just as they began to worry, a voice from the heaven tells them that when the girl attains the marriageable age and meets her future husband, the third boson shall disappear itself. Hearing this, King Malayadhwaja understands that she is no ordinary child, but born for greater good. Thus Meenakshi has brought up by the warrior princess along with learning literature, music and dance. She has also trained in warfare. After Malayadhwaja, Meenakshi has crowned as queen of Madurai. As she begins to expand her kingdom, winning every war, she eventually finds her way to Mount Kailas, where she defeats all the Shivaganas. When she sees Lord Shiva, she feels some changes in her and the disappearance of the third boson. Lord Shiva informs her that he would come to Pandya Desham and seek her hand in Madurai. Further, the devotee says, O goddess, I surrender myself to you. The Kriti is in Ragam Kirvani, set to Talam Adi. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy today's concert. So, uh, this was my second performance of today's evening. Once again, I would like to thank my Guru and Jaipur Sangeet Mahavidyalaya for giving me this wonderful opportunity. The next and the concluding item of this evening is a Kavadi Chindu. Kavadi is a folk melody which is danced in joy in praise of Lord Muruga. The Kavadis are of different types: Pal Kavadi, Pushpa Kavadi, Mail Kavadi, Chandana Kavadi. Pal Kavadi is milk Kavadi, which is the Kavadi which is decorated with milk. Pushpa Kavadi is Kavadi which is decorated by flowers. Mail Kavadi is which is the Kavadi which is decorated by peacock feather, as Murugan's Vahana is peacock, so he loves peacock feather. Chandana Kavadi, it is a sandalwood, which is the Kavadi is decorated with Chandana. This composition is composed by Periyasamy Thuran, which is in Ragam Senjurity Talam Adi. Thank you so much. It is a folk melody. I would like the audience to enjoy its this music and the dance, which is choreographed by my Guru Srimati Chaya Khanvate. Thank you so much, everyone. This is the concluding item of this evening. I like to thank each and every audience which is watching, which were watching my performance until now, and thank you each and everyone for your presence and blessing me. Thank you so much. The concluding item, Kavadi Chindu.
Ajudhe Rama Karvande Padani Mare
Thank you so much, everyone who have been watching me till now. This was my concluding performance of today's online concert. I would like to thank my Guru, Srimati Chhaya P. Kanvate, for giving me this art form and accepting me as her Shishya. Next, I would like to thank Jaipur Sangeet Mahavidyalaya for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and they have taken such a good initiative to showcase upcoming budding artists like me and everyone. And please, I would like to say everyone to support the artist and the art. We need nothing but only your support. If the audience are interested in such traditional culture, even we would feel very fortunate to perform in front of you all, and all these upcoming events will be a grand success. So I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to Sangeet Mahavidyalaya and everyone who have been coordinating with me till since 1 month. I would like to thank my parents, my uncle and aunt, and each and every one, my friends, my family, who have been supporting me in every time, and who have especially my mom and my aunt, who have done all this background stuff. I thank each and everyone who have been a supporting guidance for me. Thank you so much, everyone. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Stay at home, maintain social and physical distancing. Thank you so much. Krishna Arpanamastu.